How to fix Instagram inbox not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram inbox not loading on Android phone. First, open Play Store or App Store and make sure Instagram is updated, and if you find your update, just update your Instagram. And if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. If you have an Android phone, go to settings and then apps and apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, click for stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. And if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and that's it. Install it again and your problem will be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.